some of the experiments I was doing to handle several systems inside a Faro image with only one VM. So in order to do that, I made some changes in the current stack VM. So I will use that VM to run my examples. So I am right now opening with my VM a Faro 1.4 image, which has loaded some code of mine. The main idea is that we have a lot of objects in memory of this Faro 1.4 image. We will load along with them all the objects of a 2.0 image, and we will tell the VM to start running from the new object that we loaded. So as you can see, this is a Faro 1.4. You see the old icons, and in the about you see a Faro 1.4. So we're going to execute some code that will actually do that. We'll take a Faro 2.0 file, we'll take all the objects in there, we'll load them along with all the objects of ours, and we will tell the VM to start running on the other side. So what does that mean? So that means that we are loading a new nil object, a new true object, a new false, a new object class, a new proto object class. So we have a new full version of the system, actually a 2.0 version of the system, living along with the 1.4. So once we execute this, almost automatically, actually it's very fast, the UI changes. That actually this changes because this is the UI that was shown in my 2.0 image. So if you see the icons changed, if we see the about, it is a Faro 2.0 image. So we actually started to run another image, and we are using the objects of this 2.0 image. Additionally, this is not a just 2.0 image. It already has bootstrapped a Faro candle system. So that means that here in this system now we have the 2.0 image plus the bootstrap system, which has its own nil, its own true, its own false, its own full version of the Faro candle system, so it can work alone. And this Faro candle system has installed a very simple process, which we can see in here. So if we ask for the spec of the bootstrap system, and we check this method is the one that will be executed when our bootstrap system starts and is awakened. And if we check the source code, this method, actually this process, what we'll do is to log into a file this string, some benchmarks of bytecodes run per second, the screen size, and after that it will just quit. So what we are going to do is to take the bootstrap system so we can check that it is really working, and we will tell the VM to run this process here. Actually this is just the source code. We will run the process that is already bootstrapped and created. So doing that, we will tell to Smalltalk to install as host image this object space, which actually is the object representing the bootstrap system. And once we do it, it quit. It quit without exception. That means that it quit because we executed our primitive, our quit primitive. And if we check in the Finder, we will find here the log.txt file, which actually executed what we told. And we can see that the date and time of creation is today at the same time of the machine. So That was all. Bye.